I'm going to start this video with a shout out to everyone who has not felt the pressure of social media to immediately take down their Christmas decor the day after Christmas. As you can see in this video, I still have my Christmas decorations up. I've had a lot going on over the holiday, and I also wanted to just take some time to just relax and do nothing. I can take down my Christmas decorations anytime, and I didn't really want to do it during the time that I had off from work. So here I am on January 15th, still sitting here with my Christmas decorations up. A few months back, Aldi had a special on some clear storage containers that look like the Rubbermaid Brilliance containers. The Rubbermaid Brilliance is what you see me washing right here. So anyway, in an effort to save some money, because these Aldi containers were only $15 for a set of 10, I bought them. I actually bought 2 sets, and the very first time I washed them in the dishwasher, they melted. So for Christmas, I asked for a set of the Rubbermaid ones, and I do have to say they are fantastic. Full disclosure, yes, I am using the same sponge to wash my dog bowls that I just used to wash my dishes, but when I'm finished washing the dog bowls, I am going to throw it away and get a new sponge. Do you guys have pets? Do you wash their dog bowls? Let me know in the comments how often you wash them. I typically do this every Sunday. I wash all my dog bowls and I switch out my kitchen sink sponge. I change the bed sheets and I usually give the house a good vacuum, which is what we're going to do today. This is pretty much my Sunday reset routine. I don't do a whole lot of deep cleaning on Sundays. I do that throughout the week. But today you're going to get a quick overview of just a real quick basic Sunday reset. Let me just say, the amount of footage I cut out of this video of me cleaning this high chair, if you're still watching, you would have left during this part of the video because I swear I probably spent 10 minutes cleaning this high chair. It was so filthy dirty. I don't know how her little fingers and hands get all over it in all the spots that were filthy dirty with caked on food, but I had to use some serious elbow grease to get all of the gunk off. This wooden box that you see me putting stuff in off of this table is so fantastic for my coffee table. It holds all the little clutter and all the little things that kind of gather up on the coffee table, like the remote, charging cables, there's a pin in there. I'm looking in the box right now. I have 3 remotes, 2 pairs of reading glasses, a nail file, 2 pens, 2 styluses, 3 different charging cords, and the remote for the ceiling fan. Part of my Sunday routine is to wash all the blankets that hang out on the couch all week. I have a basket that's actually behind the couch that has a few more, but the ones that you just saw me grab are the ones that are the nicest and softest ones, so they get used the most frequently, and I do wash them at least once a week. My daughter's dog was here visiting, and she loves to chew on sticks, and she brings them in from the backyard. When she brings them in, my dogs also join in on the fun. Typically, they don't bring sticks in from the backyard. They chew on them outside, or I don't know what they do, if they even chew on them at all. But when Nikki's here, she definitely brings them in from outside and has a field day with them. This is my granddaughter's bedroom. As you can see, there's still some carpet lines on the carpet, so she hasn't been here all week. But the dogs have been here, and apparently they have jumped up on the bed to look out the front window, messed up the pillows a little bit, and crumpled up the comforter. And let's just ignore the teddy bear with the ski mask on. I have no idea what's going on with that. This is my guest bedroom / nail hobby room, and also the room where the baby sleeps when she's over. There's not much to do in here. This room really only gets used whenever I put the baby down for a nap, so I'm just gonna vacuum and move on to my room that is in desperate need of some cleaning. I'm always sad when I change these sheets and put a different set on my bed because they are by far the best sheets I have ever had. Now, I have bought sheets from Bed Bath & Beyond that cost over $100, which I love, and I've also bought sheets on Amazon that were $20, which are not that great. But these sheets are $40, also on Amazon, and the reason I decided to try them is because they had over 300,000 4.5-star reviews. I don't know why anyone would give them less than 5 stars, because I've been using them on my bed for over a year now, and they are just as soft, just as comfortable as the day I got them. They are by far the best pair of sheets that I have ever owned that only cost $40. I'll link them down below if you're in the market for a new set of sheets, because I cannot recommend them enough. I tell all of my friends about them, like, you guys have to try these sheets, they're the best sheets ever.
You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you.
I think folding laundry is probably just about everyone's least favorite part of the whole laundry process. I keep moving it back and forth from my bed to my office chair, so I decided I just need to get this little bit done because it's just going to keep piling up and making a bigger pile, and I just need to put it away.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you
I really enjoy making these cleaning videos every week, and it makes me happy that you guys come along for the ride and watch my videos. It really helps my channel out if you click that like button to let YouTube know that you like this content. And if you want to see my videos every week, hit subscribe. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope you got some cleaning motivation today. See you next week.